Hello guys, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito naman pong kaibigan ni si Jake, no? So kung naghahanap po kayo ng IT consultant po, IT project manager, software engineer, I'm open po, no, for a freelance job, no? Just message me in my email address at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. I repeat, my email address is jkerpomperada@gmail.com, or pwede nyo rin akong tawagan sa mobile number ko na 0917-3084-360. I repeat, my mobile number po is 0917-3084-360. I'm looking forward to work with you guys, no, bilang IT consultant, no. Quality service po at a very reasonable cost lang po ang ino-offer ko po, no. Hindi po ako magpa-promise, but you will not regret, no, if you hire me, no, as your IT consultant. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at suporta guys. Kita-kita tayo sa susunod na video. Love you all.